Heroes of Might and Magic 3 is a timeless classic, but the original low-resolution graphics can be a bit hard to look at on a modern screen. Thankfully, a free fan-made HD mod fixes all of that. Here's a quick guide on how to download and install it in 2025. First, you need to own a legal copy of the original Heroes of Might and Magic 3 Complete Edition. The mod will not work with the official HD edition from Steam or other stores. The best place to buy the Complete Edition is GOG.com, as it's fully compatible with the mod. Now, you can download the HD mod itself. The most reliable place to get it is from the official community website. Just click the download button and a small installer file will be saved to your computer. Once the download is finished, double-click the installer file. The installer is smart enough to find your game folder automatically. If it doesn't, you'll need to manually navigate to the folder where you installed Heroes 3. Once it's found, just click Next and finish the installation. The mod will add a new launcher to your desktop. To play the game in high resolution, you must use this launcher instead of the original one. Just open it up, select your screen resolution, and click play. You'll now be able to enjoy the full game in beautiful high-resolution graphics.